We're back for another video, and we are here to answer some activities here in the chapter 1, and let's proceed. So all we have to do in this activity is we have to determine which function that runs on each device category. So let's begin. So the end devices, let's try this one. So for end devices, I think it is the one that provides an interface between the human and the network, while the intermediary devices provides connectivity and ensures data flows across the network. So the network media for this one, I think it is the one who provides a channel for messages to travel from source to destination. So let's check if my answer for this one is correct. Very good. It's a great job. So now we have to drag down each function to its device category, to its proper representation, that for end devices. So for this one, we have to determine the interface between the human and the network. The human and the network, basically it's the one that human often uses from time to time. So let's check this one for end devices. This one, so as based on the function, it has the interface between human and the network. So I think laptop has this one and this one. What is this? I think this one considered as an end devices. Computer, is it a computer? This one, is it a tablet? Human and network. Printer, this one, is this a printer? Okay. For the intermediary devices, it says that it provides connectivity and ensures data flows across the network. So firewall, this one, is this a switch? Function switch, wireless switch. This one and this one, I think, and we're good. There's 3 more left. So for the network media, that a channel for messages to travel from source to destination. So it is the channel, or the one that provides the connectivity to one channel to another. So this one and this one, and I think we're good. Okay, let's check this one if we're done. And yes, it is. So okay, then so it indicates that drag the network components function to its device category. This and IP phone. Let's see, this one is a laptop, wireless tablet. No. Wireless tablet. This one is a wireless tablet. And the desktop computer, is it a personal computer or the desktop computer? Okay, this one is a printer. I know it from the beginning. and the television, or what? Telepresence endpoint. Okay, we're done. And for the intermediary devices, which is this, a firewall. Let's think this on the firewall. LAN switch, this one. A router, is it a router? Multi-layer switch. The arrow provides. This one. Let's check for this one. Wireless router. No. Is this a wireless router? No. This one is a router. Wireless router is the next one. Sorry. This is the wireless router and the multi-layer switch. Okay, and we're good to go for the next category. Is it A1 media? Is this A1 media? Wireless media? Is this a wireless media? I don't think so. And the LAN media. Okay, let's check if I do it correctly. Okay, and I think we're done. Now let's proceed to the next activity. The activity. Okay, let's go. Let's find the activity. Let's find another activity. 1.3.2.6. This one. Okay, I think it's more harder than the first one. So the instructions said that select the appropriate column to identify the network architecture requirement to which each characteristics or feature belongs. So let's proceed. Network should always be available. Scalability or fault tolerance, because it should be always available. Priority queues are implemented when demand for network bandwidth exceeds supply. Priority and the bandwidth exceeds supply. It must be on the quality of service. They must be servicing their customer. Quality. Business and personal network equipment must be protected. It's security. Quality of service. Security. It's security. Developing a plan of priority queuing is a strategy for quality delivery of information. For the quality delivery, so it must be quality of service. Business and personal data must be protected. It's security for me. It's the word protected must be on the line of security. Number 6, network can grow or expand within minimal impact on performance. Grow or expand, maybe scalability, because of that word grow or expand. Scalable. Number 7, data can travel through more than one route for delivery from a remote resource. Fault tolerance. Common network standards allow hardware and software vendors to focus on product improvements and service. Network standard, hardware and software vendors. Product improvement, scalability. Let's check this one if we're good to go. Let's go. Okay, and we're done for this activity. Now we're going to answer another activity for the last activity for this chapter. Okay, this one. Okay, let's go. Identify network security terminologies. So the instructions here in this activity is drag the security terms to correct definitions. So let's go. An attack which slows down or crashes equipment and programs. Slow programs. Wait. Let me skip for this one. Creates a source connection for remote workers. It's a VPN. Okay. Blocks unauthorized access to your network. Block for from that word block. Unauthorized is a firewall for the world. Network attack that occurs on the first day and that invulnerability becomes unknown. 0 day or 0 day R. Arbitrary code running on user's device. This one. These are viruses. This one, viruses, worms, Trojan horses. And so for the first one, which is attacks that slows down crashes, it's denial of service. Okay, let's check for this one if we done it correctly, and we're good. We are done for the activities in the first chapter, and that's all. Thank you.